Hey, take a look at this. Yes, this is $24,546.65 sitting in my account waiting for me to withdraw. Do you know what I did to make this money? Nothing. Well, aside from a 2-minute setup, I really didn't do anything. Nor did I spend a penny to make it. Which means all of that is 100% pure profit. Isn't it crazy? You see, I use the power of AI to infiltrate Google's servers and leverage a hidden glitch that basically forces Google to send me thousands of clicks to my news site and then pays me every time someone reads the news. That's it. Nothing else. There's no need to pay a penny in ads, rank in Google, spam social media, write a single word. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, these news sites are done for me. I didn't create it. AI did. All I did was turn it on, and it went on to create everything for me. Starting from creating the news site, to leveraging the Google glitch to get thousands of clicks, and finally, making money every day like this. This is the true power of AI, my friend. And today, you have a chance to leverage the same app that I use. Introducing, for the first time ever, AI News Glitch. You see, AI is changing the world. And while some people are terrified that they'll lose their jobs to it, I'm here making bank by using it correctly. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Access. Click on the link below to set up your account instantly. Step 2. Exploit. Let AI do its work by exploiting the hidden Google glitch that pays us for publishing news. Step 3. Profit. That's it. We get paid every day whenever a news article is published. Yes, it really is that simple. All you have to do is use the same app that we use to hack Google to send us thousands of clicks every day, and then pay us when they read the news on our sites. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? You don't have to create content yourself. You don't have to pay for traffic. You don't have to build websites. You don't have to spam social media. This is something brand spanking new that you've never seen before. AI News Glitch runs in the background non-stop 24/7 to not only generate us boatloads of traffic, but also turn that traffic into cold hard cash, paid into our bank accounts daily, whether we're sleeping, eating, lying down on the couch, or out on vacation. Look, I made $2,103.01 today, and that's normal for me. I did nothing today, and I made the same amount of money as a lawyer or a surgeon. So, how much will this cost you? I'm not going to inflate the price by some crazy amount like $5,000 and lie about you getting some insane discount. In all honesty, our plan was to sell this to our customers for $297 monthly. And for the money that AI News Glitch is making us, it quickly pays for itself. But our goal is to help as many people as possible succeed this year. So for our early bird users, you won't pay $297. You won't pay $49. Not even $29. When you get your hands on AI News Glitch today, you'll pay a low one-time price, the same price of a pizza pie from Domino's. Yes, you get access to the world's first system that gets you traffic with AI, which many experts say is more powerful than ChatGPT. I've used it, and so have 243 beta testers from all around the world, making an average of $108.47 in the first 24 hours. Now it's your turn to join the fun. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get your hands on AI News Glitch. Still on the fence? Listen, I'm going to make it so there's no way for you to lose here. So to make it impossible for you to fail, here's what I'm going to do. When you click the button below and buy AI News Glitch, I'm going to let you test it for 365 days, risk-free. And at any time, if you feel disappointed, even on the very first day, then come to us for a full instant refund within 24 to 48 hours. If you are not 100% satisfied, we don't deserve your money. And not just that, you'll still get to keep access to AI News Glitch, even if we refund you, if you ever want to give it a second try. Yes, that's how confident we are in this. We've removed all risk from your end. The only way you lose is by not giving it a try. So go ahead and dive in. Click the button below this video right now and get access to AI News Glitch for the low one-time pricing. And when you make your first money, Let me know. It always makes my day to hear success stories. Anyway, my name is Jason Fulton. I provided you with all the details, and the time is now for you to take action. This early bird discount is limited time only, and when it's over, you'll pay $297 per month for AI News Glitch. Why wait and pay more when you could have gotten started now for just one small payment? Right now, your special pricing is reserved for you, but if you come back later, you could find yourself paying $297 monthly. I'm giving you everything you need to make money, all the tools necessary, and my app does virtually all the work for you. And there's no risk with my 365-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait another second to take action. Click the button below to get AI News Glitch while it's still at the early bird price. I can't wait to see you on the inside.